অঙ্ক করে ভালো পায়, সবাই ভালো পায়। হ্যাঁ? আমি হলো বক বক করি, অলপ লেকচার দিই, তাৰপিছত অলপ অঙ্ক করি। এটা অলপ ভাল লাগিব না। প্ৰথম ফ্ৰেছ অকণমান কথা পাতি ল'ম, তাৰপিছত আমি অঙ্ক দি শেষ কৰি দিম। এই রুটিন বনা
বিজনেস আছে ইংলিশে দাসায় কৰা হ'ব
এই মই শনিবাৰ না
আপুনি মোক আগতে কৰিব পাৰে
শনিবাৰ যাতে নিকি আজৰাই দিন পাব শনিবাৰ দিনা মই কৰিব নোৱাৰিম
ঠিক হ'ব
আমি মানডে মই কৰিম যদি দৰকাৰ আৰু কিবা লেজাৰ বনাইছে না লিখিবলৈ
নাই সেইটো আছে সেইটো মই সেইটো ৰেকৰ্ড কৰিছোঁ
এখন ইয়াতে লেজাৰটো থৈ দিলে আমি ইয়াতে চাইন কৰি ৰেকৰ্ড কৰি থৈ দিব পাৰোঁ
ঠিক আছে মই তেন্তে ইয়াতে এইটো সেই নিটটো যে নহয় এইটো ৰবৰ নিটটো আৰু হেৰি আপোনাৰ
ওকে সব আহি গৈছে না আৰু কোনোবা আহিব আহি আছে We will be starting a new subject of So the outline of this chapter, this is chapter number 2. Outline of this chapter will be demand forecasting. By the name you can find it out. What does it mean? That we will be forecasting a demand. If we do not look into the future to certain extent, then we cannot plan our business. So with that context, then there will be capacity planning. Means how much I have to produce, what is my capacity, whether I am down, whether I am up as per the demand. So that will be capacity planning. Then there will be capacity requirement, facility location, facility layout. Facility means the factory or the place from where the product or the service is rendered. Resource aggregate planning, RAP. Resource means whatever the things required to make a product is called resource aggregate planning. So it is a base of software tool where you can give all the resources, how much is available, when it is coming, all these plans. Then the computer will or the language will interpret how you will plan. They will give you the input. Similarly, material requirement planning. Material requirement planning is particularly for the inputs, the material input required. A company might be requiring lot of material for which a human being may not be very efficient enough to monitor. So that is also called the MRP, the material requirement planning. Then you need not to understand the language or you need not to do it. You will have to have just idea. And with that idea we will go ahead. Then manufacturing resource planning. And so the name of this resource planning, and manufacturing resource planning is somewhat near. And then ERP. This is my favorite subject because while in Oil India Limited, I retired in 2019. And in 2005, Oil India Limited wanted to implement ERP. So that time, hardly anybody knew. Rather, I was also not knowing what is ERP. That was a solar, na pan, na khana bostu, na ki bostu, na kapur dhua saban, ekoi na. So we understood everything. We studied everything. We found out what is good, what is bad, and then we did the so we did the ERP, we understood, and then 2 in one bench or 1 in other bench. You cannot see all 3 together. Anyway, so now today Oil India's business is based on ERP. Without ERP they cannot think. So from scratch to the rollout, one of the 15-member committee team which worked on ERP initially, I was one of the members. And then we rolled out ERP in Oil India. So after not knowing anything about ERP, we implemented ERP. And I am a certified ERP professional in 3 modules, which we will come, what is module and all these things. Then economic batch quality. So these are the main headlines we will be taking over. To start with, demand forecasting. Demand forecasting, as I was telling, that it is a looking and assessing future. You see, the future is in capital word. Future is in capital word. Looking and assessing future. Can anybody say what is future? What will happen tomorrow? Nobody. Except the Gadadkar sitting on the roadside with a tia party, he can say. Because he doesn't know whether he will be getting his food on time or not. Right? But he tells about everything. So, which can be predicted through a systematic and scientific method expected to affect the business as a whole. Nobody thought of COVID-19 pandemic is coming. Nobody knew. Nobody could plan. But some of the things, systematic way and scientific way, if we think about the business, we will be able to predict something. For an example, today, all we know that our technology has advanced in such a way that we can imagine anything. Earlier, when the mobile came, we didn't know what is app. Now through app, you do everything. Even your banking transaction also you are doing through your mobile. You are hardly touching your computer. The cards of this technology, the opposite, the disadvantage of technological advantage, disadvantage of technological advancement is we are not taken by surprise. We know this will happen to happen. I mean, obak hoy na jao. We are not afraid of getting surprised. A smaller boy in your home or in your neighbor, he knows much better than you. You know much better than us. So, advancement is happening and it is very difficult to cope up with. How many apps are there? Nobody knows. In a day, there are 2,500 apps coming out. Even Bajar Khata has also come out. Have you seen it? For the small shops to keep their accounts, the Bajar Khata has come out. Though it is the idea of a normal khata जो मुदी खाना में, दुकान में, किराना दुकान में लिखते हैं, उसी का हिसाब से बाजार खाता आ गया. To make it user friendly. Anyway, so through a systematic and scientific method, we can predict something. But the thing is that which cannot be absolutely correct. Those are based on certain assumption and information. Now today, again I am slightly deviating from whatever we are saying is that human brain, could it be replicated by computer? Yes or no? Generally the answer is no. But 70% of the human brain's job can be done through a computer. It has been done. Simple example, day-to-day example. Say, you opened your Google browser and you started searching something. So you want to go for some tour. बाइक का सब आदमी आ गया, चलो कहीं नजदीक जाना है. your friends are on your WhatsApp group or on your Facebook group, and then before you type, he predicts, and there are so many resources comes up there from where you can select. So it is a type of brain. He is working on a particular analogy on the computer programming based on the database. The database has been collected. They could segregate what you were thinking logically, he can also think. That is why today in different forum it is being discussed, or rather it has been published, that 70% of the human brain capacity has been replicated. Think about when it becomes 100%, they will overshoot us. Anyway, sales forecast is an estimate of the amount, the amount of unit sale for a specific future period. Mind that, specified future, not for once for all. For a particular time frame, how much will be. So there are certain assumptions and inputs. With that we will have to do. Then accordingly you can do your marketing plan on the program under the assumed shape, under an assumed set of economic and other force outside the organization. Assumed set of information or economics. দাম একই থাকিব পাৰে, বাঢ়িব পাৰে, 10% বাঢ়িব না 7% বাঢ়িব, some assumption. Now these assumptions are based on certain scientific calculations. We will be doing certain calculations. Now to assess the future and make provision for it is the demand forecasting. Proximate events are outlined with some distinctness. Proximate events are outlined with some distinctness. Mind the sentence. Proximate events which may happen are outlined, list kora hoy, with some distinctness, with some clarity. Bujha goichhe? Could you understand? What could happen in future with some clarity demand forecasting can predict, but which cannot be very true. Assessment of both controllable and uncontrollable factors, both economic and non-economic factors can also be predicted inside and outside the organization. Then sales forecasting is more, before that demand forecasting and all these things is nothing but a sort of carrot being kept in front of the management or the particular organization that you should run for it. If the carrot is not there, if there is no objective, there is no goal, why should I run? Again, it reminds me one story in my career. One of our boss, he called few of us in his office here in Guyana. They wanted to do something better. तो ठीक है, चलो मैनेजर कुछ को बुला लिया और आराम से उन लोगों को बहुत कुछ ज्ञान दिया. तो ज्ञान देने से तो पता चल रहा है, जैसे तुम लोग को भी पता चल रहा है ये तो ज्ञान दे रहे हैं. लाइक हम लोग को भी पता चल रहा था कि वो तो अभी ज्ञान देगा. तो हम लोग डिवीजन में बैठे थे, सामने टेबल के सामने 3 कुर्सी था, 3 में हम थे और 2 बंदा था, और पीछे में 3 कुर्सी था उसी का छोटा सा चेम्बर में, और पीछे 3 आदमी बैठा था. And he was telling you, do this, you do this, it's very good, you are a good engineer, and thank you, back in बहुत tell me yes. So corridor पीछे थे, well you will be given medals, you will be getting medals, you run and you will get medals. हमारा साथ में एक बहुत बढ़िया आदमी था, वो धीरे से पीछे से, सर हम दौड़ेगा भी नहीं, मेडल भी नहीं चाहिए, So this type of things has to be kept in the front. For him, the medal may not be the things to run. Instead, if you have been told, you will be given 1 full bottle from the Journal Club daily on free. Ah, sir, I will do. Maybe. You know, so it depends what you are keeping in front of you. Anyway, jokes apart, assessment of both controllable and uncontrollable, that I said. Now, sales forecasting is the basis of planning. And the various activities and the production activities. Pricing policy. By the name only you can find it out. What is price? What should be my price? there should be some policy. Again, a small story. Just to keep you live, I am telling these small stories out of my experience. When ERP, I was just now telling that, when ERP, we went to implement it. ERP is a software. When you go to the shop and ask for a laptop, you are told a price. Eto kiman dam 40,000. Kiki ase, these are the things. What is the configuration? These are the things. But never we ask, is it loaded with Windows? But it comes loaded. You ask, I don't want anything. You don't load any software. I only need the hardware. Software I will take it outside or from wherever I want. Ba bor bhorote ase, mo lagai dibo. Then the price comes down to 25,000. So software has also a price. You are buying a license to operate, and you cannot touch their programming. Only you can use it. You type M, it writes M. You write enter, it makes a page break in Word or whatever it may be. Similarly, in ERP also, you have to purchase license. They will install the software in your server and we will be using it. So every license has a price. That price of license, we thought of that. So similarly, there will be some price. So we approached them. When we approached them, they said the price of a license is 1,58,000 per license. Fine, ठीक है. एक बार खरीद लिया तो हो गया. बोले नहीं, हम लोग उसको अपडेट करते रहते हैं. विंडोज अपडेट देता है, वो comes free of cost. But यहाँ पे वो लोग बोला, our updating cost is about 20% of the total license fee you are paying now annually. If you do not pay annually, we will not give you the update. So you will be backdated. This software will not work. So then from there, we understood their pricing policy. What are the things there? Which layer? Then we negotiated with them and we brought it down to something around 0.76, and this we brought it down to 12%. Then the meeting continued from morning 9 o'clock to night or morning 3 o'clock. The negotiation meeting, that too in Delhi, in one of the hotels. So this was we understood their pricing policy and we negotiated with them. Then they said, sir, ले जाओ और कुछ मत बोलो, किसी को मत बताओ ये पैसा में आपको मिला है, नहीं तो हम लोग का नौकरी चला जाएगा. They are the German company, SAP. Anyway, so these are the policies. Then program policies, then strategies, personnel policies, as to recruitment, transfer, promotion, training, everything comes into that planning. Then the period of forecasting can be divided into, obviously, for three, that is long, short and medium. The short range may be 1 week or 2 weeks. Don't go by, it is written in your textbook, don't go by this week. It can be short term, can be depending on the organization, depending on the type of change I am asking for. And medium range may vary from 6 to 8 months, and you will follow in one of your other page of the book, this timing has changed. So only thing we need to know, there will be 3 types of planning. Demand forecasting. That forecasting may be short term, medium term, long term, but it has a different impact. Means, in the near future what will happen? That can be 1 year down the line also. If my item production takes 6 months time, so I should know it is a very fast moving item, then I should have a very small time frame from which I will collect. So I will not emphasize on this much. Next, short term forecast. Just read what are the things told there. To estimate the inventory requirement, maybe. What is inventory requirement? Shudhanshu. SS Das. To estimate the inventory requirement, what is inventory? Stock. Then stock at both the edges. Inside, in coming in and going out. Both of them are inventory. Right? To provide transfer facilities for dispatch of finished goods. Yes, for that also we need to do it. The short term. And to decide the workload of men and machine. Okay, workload badi debo pare, short term eta assess kori nao. Jodi bare, then what we need to do, we may have to hire some people, we may have to engage some contractor, we may have to hire some machines from outside, right? And then to find out the working capital requirement. Finance আছে না নাই আমি আরো পয়সা বজাৰৰ পৰা আনিব লাগিব না